Hey, welcome back everybody to a new YouTube video, and today guys I wanted to talk about a certain few more stocks before we get into pre-market. Right now it's around 4 a.m. 3:45 I believe. I just had to mention this before the market starts. I know I did say that I did not have an Excel spreadsheet to show you guys my stocks because that's how I want to roll for a couple of days. Just want to see if I like this approach better. So from Lyft, I already talked about Lyft, but if you looked at my video that I just uploaded, you can see the title says Cava Stock, right? Or Cava something in the title, but Cava Stock. So Cava is a stock you need to look at, okay? So for example, if I go to Cava, yeah, guys, I'm on my Apple Vision Pro. I know people, some people asked already if I'm on a Quest or Apple Vision Pro. This is the Apple Vision Pro. I just tend to like it better. So on Cava, if we look at the 1 month chart, right? Okay, it used to be 85, 84, 79, and then we go and we hit this low right around, I believe it's, where's that low at? Let me go to 3 month chart actually. So 82 right here, okay? We hit a low of in July at 77.92. I believe there's a bigger low over here, I believe. Yeah, August 4th there's a bigger low. And that low, let me see if we can pull up August 4th over here. Yeah. 4th to 5th. Okay. So it's right here. It says 78, but it was like around 71 at 4 a.m. It was $71 at 4 a.m. Now it's 78. But this was on purpose, okay? The actual price of Cava should be around 85 to 90. But I believe that this is going to jump, okay? The reason why it went from 90, if you look at the 3 month chart, 93, 95, we even hit 98 somewhere up here. And it fell all the way to 71. Why do you think it is that? You think Cava is doing bad as a company? No, if we look, they're beating earnings every quarter, okay? The profit to earnings ratio is pretty good. They might not have the best margins, but how I look at Cava is how I look at, if I type in Shake Shack. Shake Shack is another restaurant that I've been tracking. And if we look at the 3 month chart on Shake Shack, it's just been falling, all the way to the $79 range. And here, I would think it's low because Shake Shack already hit a high at 110 in March of 2024. Now, if this thing is going down, if I go back to the 3 month chart, and on July 24th, it goes from 79, boom, all the way to 102. You don't think something's up right here? This is called basically insider information or institutions doing what they're doing, okay? They're doing a massive sell-off. A lot of people are doing a massive sell-off. We don't know if they're working together, the insiders and the institutions. They could be working together to sell this thing off so they can buy back at a better price. And that better price would be at the $70 range for Shake Shack, right? So it did hit the $79 range, and I was watching Shake Shack. I did buy some Shake Shack, but I didn't buy as many as I should have. But it shot all the way up to 101, right? I think even higher, maybe 104. But I believe this is going to be the same typical thing with Cava, okay? So the reason why they do this too is where it goes down and all shoots back up is because institutions buy back before earnings, and when earnings hits, it just jumps up, and then they're going to sell again. So if we go back to Cava, right, it basically did that, right? It basically went from the 77, 72 right here, $72 range, all the way back to the 90s, right? So it followed the same trajectory out of Shake Shack, but Shake Shack skyrocketed after the earnings call and before Cava even started going up. So I believe Cava's earnings call August 22nd. It's either going to run a little bit more up, 94, 93 range, and then after earnings, I think that it's either going to explode up or you might see a big shockwave down, because that's what happened last earnings call. It shocked all the way down and then it shot back up in the next couple of days. So I think you can hold some for now, make some money off this. 90 is still fine. if it goes up a couple of percentages. But then if it drops, I would not recommend selling. I would buy more, then go all in on Cava, buy more if it goes to the $70 range, and let that thing rise back up. And when it does, that's when you sell. Okay, I would not. I have calls on Cava still, but I'm gonna buy some more shares on this. I believe if I can get a better price. I did buy some more shares on Cava already in the $80 range. I couldn't catch the 70s, but the $80 range is still fine. So that's it for me, guys. If you guys want any more stock tips, just let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I just had to say this because Cava and Shake Shack are those stocks that people don't really tend to look at, but these are good stocks. So when you're investing, you also have to think like a financial institution. How would they work? How would they buy these stocks? Why would they buy these stocks? Why would they sell? When the market's going down, that's the time to buy again. You don't want to be greedy, but you want to make some plans and plays and make some smart choices around here. So yeah, other than that, if you want more plays, I'll try to bring in some more stocks that I'm looking at. I'm watching over 200 stocks every day, doing my due diligence, doing analysis. So yeah, just let me know. Alright guys, have a good one.